Hey guys, GSIP Studios here, back with another video in our King Nightmares playlist. In this video, I will be showing you how to get the King Nightmares Backrooms Easter egg. Now, to prevent spoilers, I will not be showing you how to complete the Backrooms Easter egg. You will have to download the game and find that out for yourself by playing through it and finding out the lore. I will show you how to get there though. Simply click on the play button, then click on Start Game. Now that we're in the PC part, go ahead and complete your first task by going to the Noodle Dome browser, clicking on the uploader, and uploading your 3 trailers. Now that you've uploaded the 3 trailers, you've done your first task, which will result in the email appearing on up. You have 2 emails, one from the Anonymous, which I recommend you click on when you're playing the game yourself, but I will not reveal what it does to prevent spoilers. You want to go ahead and click on the Jane email, and within this email, it will basically summarize where to find this hidden key that Jane found that takes you to the Backrooms. It is the same key that is used in the Good Ending video where I demonstrate how to find the key and utilize it, as it is a multi-use key. Go ahead and finish your other task as demonstrated in how to get the Good Ending video. Follow the same steps to get downstairs. Go ahead and jump out of the elevator and grab the key. Head downstairs. And this time, instead of going into the break room, you want to head out and to the left at the dead end sign at the end of the road. Thank you, and I'll see you all in the next one.